Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make perfect baklava. First, ensure your phyllo dough is thawed in the refrigerator overnight, then brought to room temperature for about 2 hours. This prevents tearing. Next, finely chop your favorite nuts like walnuts or pistachios and set them aside. Finally, gently melt 1½ sticks of unsalted butter. This will be crucial for creating those crispy, golden layers. Getting these initial steps right sets you up for success. Now let's build those delicious layers. Take 1 sheet of phyllo dough and carefully brush it completely with melted butter. Repeat this process, layering 8 to 10 sheets of buttered phyllo in your baking pan. After your base layers are down, sprinkle approximately 1/3 of your chopped nut mixture evenly over the phyllo. Continue this pattern, alternating between buttered phyllo layers and nut mixture, ensuring even distribution for every bite. It's time to bake your baklava to a beautiful golden brown. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 50 to 60 minutes. While it bakes, prepare the simple syrup. Combine 2 cups of sugar and 1½ cups of water in a saucepan, bringing it to a boil. Reduce heat and simmer for 10 minutes, then remove from heat and let it cool completely. This temperature difference is key for absorption. The final step is the most satisfying. Immediately after removing the hot baklava from the oven, slowly pour the completely cooled syrup evenly over the entire surface. This temperature contrast allows the baklava to soak up all that sweet goodness. Let it rest for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to fully absorb the syrup before cutting and serving. For more great tips and deals, including a link for Little Tree's black ice, check the description below. Enjoy your perfect homemade baklava.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.